arena. The Hurricanes set to play in the finals. Name a few from the Hurricanes roster.
Blitzers.
The Blitzers win. Wow. Great defense from Ayahori. What a rally this is. Well, probably Churchill had to dig deep that time. Oh, wow. That is her spot, and for the second time in the opening game. Wow, Paul Pari Chochuang. What a difference. What a reach from Paul Pari Chochuang. And turning defense into attack, but Ayahori stood firm that time. What a rally. Oh! And a fitting ending for a very... And again, if Pompey Chochuang wins this game, we will not play the fourth game. What a chance for Pompey Chochuang. Another excellent time of the finals. Sudden death with Ayahori trying to stay in the game! And she does it! The fight back from Ayahori after... And Pompey Chochuang. Bit too close to... Chance to lock this one out. Ayahori. In such dramatic fashion, turning things around. The Hurricanes, again, a lot more aggressive, attacking the net. 9-10, with under 5 minutes left on the clock. The transition here, absolutely spectacular from both Sabar Gautama and Seo Seung-jae. Second game. Oh, still in play. Sabar Gautama. That was probably the point of the... Aaron Chia trying to... In which the Hurricane needs to win it to stay in the match. Wow, look at that defense, but Sabar Gautama, how they can come back. Wow, a lucky ball, and the match is not over yet. Lucky ball. Yi and Aaron Chia on the attack again. Look at the defending from Sabar Gautama. Seo Seung-jae and Aaron Chia and Yi. Wow. They have the lead again. 2-1. Look at that running drive. The Hurricanes ready to win it. Oh, Seo Seung-jae with the mistake, and now is the right time for the celebrations to happen. Can do the business in this game. That was wayward. The attempted back lead, 10-9, with the serve coming from Boya. To the open court. Pompawi to score winners here for Blitzers. Again, that is just too good. Absolutely for all. Back-to-back smashes from Pompawi Chochiwon. And now it's Gloria Wijaya and Pig's turn. Piling up the pressure. Great defending from Pompawi Chochiwon. Oh, lacks the power that time from Selena Pig. Incredible rally. What a sudden death. Both teams trying their best here. Boya. Pompawi Chochiwon. A good strike from Gloria Wijaya and Selena Pig. Outstanding. Oh, that is absolutely beautiful. Yeah, not enough time. Yeah, in the final sequence of play that time. Sorry. Wow, Lee Chuk-yu. At such pace. Wow. You can hear the power of that smash from. Haven't changed a bit. Cool, calm, composed. Wow, what a smash. The serve. Wow. Moving very sprightly indeed. Well, and winning this one, the second game. Wow. That was pure quality. And so quick, so simple. Kun Lafut is now up by 3. This time there is a response from Lee Chuk-yu. 2-4. The clock ticking down, and the victory is Kun Lafut Sipit-Tarn. Almost apologetically. Toiway again, very diligent in that front court. Matthias Christiansen attacking now with a combination of shots. Aaron Chia. Wow, look at the exchanges. Sensational. Excited on the sidelines watching this match unfold. Oh, that was smart from Toiway. Tied at 12 apiece. The drama continues with 40 seconds left. Great defending from the Hurricanes. Oh, Toiway is down on her knees, and the Blitzers getting the designated server for Team Hurricane. Oh, a lucky ball from Teo Yi. Sising J now under pressure. Wow, look at that. The shots coming in, the response from their situation here for both teams. So away. And Sesam J getting it done. Out, going nuts here at the Estora Senayan. Sabar Gautama to serve. And Sabar Gautama has won it for the Blitzers. And they are celebrating this incredible victory. Non-playing captain Patapol Nyeswisig is dancing with his team. The star-studded roster with the likes of Kunlafod Fititsarn, Siseng J, Sabar Gautama, Alexandra Boya, and
ladies and gentlemen, your champion for BDMNTN-XL 2024, Team Blitzers. Our champions this evening have put up a great fight for the last 4 days of matches, led by Coach Patapol. Team Blitzers will be walking away with a cash prize of $479,000 US. Congratulations once more, Team Blitzers!